Kenya. Ya sabako, sabakenya, sabaguda, jirture, nutis jira, as genyera. We are the children of the ancient ones. Oromo Kush roots still standing strong. Waka bless, we carry on. Oh yeah, we stand so strong. Oromo rise, we sing this song. From Bishana Bayatola the Gibbe, ancient roots like the Oda tree. No more chains we break away. Gotta guide us every day. Wisdom flow from the elders' tongue. Truth and justice keep us strong. Oda tree we gather round, where the spirit of the past is found. From Showa to Alaga land, Oromo rise, we make a stand. We reach our time, we give thanks for life, for peace, for the chance. Hands in the water, heart so pure. Got our spirit strong and sure. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the other voices rise. One love, one hope, one light. Okuhai, we bless the way. We are Atta in red, black, white. Safu guides how we talk and pray. No oppressor can take we away. Irreja shine like golden beams. Water flow in sacred streams. Oromo light make Atta gleam. Truth still rise like Gada's dream. From the west to the east, we strong. From RC to Bale, hear the song. From Haraji to Jimma, future bright. Oromo rise, keep Gada inside.